Meet Chatterbox, Resemble AI's first production-grade open-source TTS model. MIT licensed, emotion-aware, and preferred over closed-source rivals like ElevenLabs, now available to try on HuggingFace.
Well, I'm getting something really special, too. And by special, I don't mean special like that Kleineman boy down the... Everybody be cool. This is a robbery. Any of you... Everybody be cool. This is a robbery. Any of you... Everybody be cool. This is a robbery. Any of you...
You know, Grandpa goes around and he does his business in public because Grandpa isn't shady. My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix legions, and loyal servant to the true emperor, Marcus Aurelius.
Let's open the demo and try it out.
That place in the distance, it's huge and dedicated to Lady Shah. Now let's make my mum's favourite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Let's see how fast it can go a second time.
Now let's see how we can install it locally. First, you click on the Chatterbox tab, then press Install. Wait for it to install, and if it has successfully installed, restart the WebUI. Here you can see that when ran locally, it will download around 2 GB of weights and consume around 3 GB of VRAM.
Hello, world. Hello, world, again.
And it is fairly fast, especially for its level of quality and variance in delivery. Now, since we're using TTS WebUI, we can see the previous generations and outputs.
Hello, world, again.
Well, there you have it. Go and have fun, but don't do bad things with this model.